thunderstorm warning for Ottawa. In northwestern Ohio, Huron County, western Richland County, Erie County, Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Marion County, eastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, Monroe County,
I knew this was
Crawford
gonna
County,
happen.
until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:38 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tipping to near Leroux, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Marion, Sandusky, Tiffin, Norwalk, Fremont, Bucyrus, Western Vermilion, Upper Sandusky, Port Clinton, Mount Gilead, Kelly's Island, Put-in-Bay, Galleon, Shelby, Bellevue, Clyde, Willard, Ontario, and Lexington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Erie, Huron, Marion, Morrow, Ottawa, Richland, Sandusky, Seneca, and Wyandotte.